Here are three sentence structures to help us talk about calling or being called by someone in Igbo. Number one, akpọrọ m gị na WhatsApp dash. I called you on WhatsApp dash. Akpọrọ m gị na WhatsApp ụnyaahụ. I called you on WhatsApp yesterday. Akpọrọ m gị na WhatsApp taa. I called you on WhatsApp today. Akpọrọ m gị na WhatsApp n'ụtụtụ. I called you on WhatsApp in the morning. 2. Ịkpọrọ m na WhatsApp dash. Did you call me on WhatsApp dash? Ịkpọrọ m na WhatsApp ụnyaahụ. Did you call me on WhatsApp yesterday? Ịkpọrọ m na WhatsApp taa. Did you call me on WhatsApp today? Ịkpọrọ m na WhatsApp n'ụtụtụ. Did you call me on WhatsApp in the morning? And our final phrase is, Kedu mgbe ị kpọrọ m na WhatsApp? When did you call me on WhatsApp? Kedu mgbe ị kpọrọ m na WhatsApp? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Akpọrọ m gị na WhatsApp dash ụnyaahụ taa n'ụtụtụ. And you can see the caption for other time point words. And it's worth mentioning that now WhatsApp doesn't have to be here. It can simply be akpọrọ m gị ụnyaahụ, I called you yesterday. And you can even replace WhatsApp with FaceTime, Facebook, whatever the place you called the person on. Quick question. If someone said to you, ịkpọrọ m, did you call me? How would you say, no, I did not call you? Leave in a comment. And as always, come back tomorrow for more.